Yes, engineer, kachikokolako nga sikategeera. Terminal filling. We are doing right here terminal filling at SaturdayBatteries.blogspot.com. This is what we do right here. So we are filling a terminal at another battery. This is the art we are using right now. So it's a hard work. I think you can see it yourself. Technology nga ali waggulu.
Technology ayise.
Bulaba ndowooza technology ayise. Tugenda kuddamu buto kole tamina eno.
Neewala kiri kye basooka okujuza oba ani yakijuza? Ani yakijuza?
Ate kati waliwo omulala wano ewamu oyiriwo.
Kampuni y'emu.
Wamugamba akijuze.
So baba bagenda kukola terminal baba balina okufuna ekintu bakiyita kigolo size of so the experiment, they are going to repeat the experiment right now.
Yeah,
I think you see what they are going to do. They are going to level up the terminal. We do a lot of things. Remember, we do battery repairing, battery charging, battery filling. We fill batteries with acids. Battery acid. I think you see what we are doing right now. So this is how we do. Wetyo bwe tukikola nga tuteekako terminal.
Ebintu by'okwakisa otuukeyo ne bagamba timing eri mabega biba biki. Kati n'obeera
katika kyako k'okutte.
Tafuta battery ingine ndani.
So I think you see that the art we are using right now. Kola kikondo kirala. New terminal. Oyo ati wamujja wa mukama waffe engineer nga ati wanjawulo sina we namulabye walala wonna. Oyo gwe bayita CEO Mr. Saturday. CEO SaturdayBatteries.com. This is our location right here. Olaba emirimu gye tukola emirimu gya njawulo. We do battery charging, battery repairing, battery terminal replacement, terminal create new terminals here. Get in touch with us on www.SaturdayBatteries.blogspot.com together with Arrows Records and Studios. Atyo Ndoozi omulaba ali wano wokka. We are located at Kogere Street. So tubagala nnyo mwenna. Our costs are low and our price. We sell also new batteries. We work upon every battery. Peace and love together with Arrows Records and Studios. Terminal Ndoozi mugiraba. Dakiika 2 terminal eba ewedde. Kama waffe tuweeyo akagambo akasembayo.
Akagambo akasembayo tubaaniriza nnyo PLU
ensebo
saawa yonna omukulu atuuka wano Kirembe Kota.
PLU kitegeeza ki?
Patriotic League of Uganda.
Patriotic League of Uganda. Yes. Under Patriotic League of Uganda. And those you can see right now our terminal is finished in just 2 minutes. It doesn't take more than 5 minutes. That's what we call technology at SaturdayBatteries.com. Peace and love.